Hi folks, how you doing? I hope you can hear me okay because the road's over there and I'm at the skinny allotment. But I don't know if you remember, I had a carrot bed, or I've made a carrot bed using about half compost, half sand. It's inside a pallet collar. I just sprinkle it with carrot seeds and I literally forget it. I put a wire mesh over the top to stop the cats digging around and using it as a litter tray, but I don't cover it from carrot fly. I just leave it completely... Oh, something just bit me. I just leave it completely, open to the elements, but just don't pick any. Just leave it be and let it do its thing. I occasionally weed out bits and pieces, but it's like the laziest way to grow carrots ever. I am not the best carrot grower at all, but when I've tried all the other methods, the covering it and everything else, I just get so much carrot fly, I get rot, I get everything else, and I struggle massively. So I tried it this way, completely different way of growing carrots. Put them in, forget them. And I grew lots of wildflowers all the way around it. Idea behind that is apparently it deters the carrot fly because they smell the flowers, they can't smell the carrots, and they never find them. Anyway, I don't think this is a bad harvest. Okay, so it's not the biggest harvest in the world, but bear in mind all I did was sprinkle some carrot seeds in that soil and forget about it for most of the summer. I think as a lazy way of growing carrots, that's not too bad. And there's a good couple weeks worth of carrots for me there, and I've still got that bed to harvest yet. I think that's chamomile, isn't it? One of the wildflowers that's grown. Look at that little critter on it. There he goes. Anyway, I think that's pretty good. Look at the size of some of these. They're the best carrots I've ever grown in my life. I believe the seeds were a carrot called Nominator or Dominator or something like that. I did have the seed label in here. Oh, hang on, is it? Oh no, but I think it's right away. But yeah, Nominator or Dominator, I'll check when I get home. But I'm sure if you Google that, you'll find the one. But look at them, absolute beauts, aren't they? Absolute beauts. And there's no damage at all. They're the cleanest carrots I've ever had, and they haven't been covered all summer. Just been grown on the skinny allotment amongst the wildflowers.